Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to find out the name of an emoji on your iPhone. If you're scrolling through your emoji window on your message app on your iPhone and you're wondering what certain emoji means, then keep watching. So first, let's enable a feature which will tell you what the emoji is about. So go ahead and tap on Settings, then scroll down and tap on Accessibility, then tap on Spoken Content. On the screen, make sure to enable Speak Selection. Toggle it to the right-hand side. Now go back to the home screen and open up your Message app. Tap on the emoji icon to bring up your emoji window. Now select the emoji from the emoji window. Once you've selected it, double tap on the emoji you have selected and you should get a small menu appear. Tap on the right arrow and you should get more options. Here, tap on Speak.
Red face with censoring symbols over mouth.
The iPhone will then describe the emoji to you. You could select a single emoji or multiple and perform the same action on it. Your iPhone will read it out to you.
Red face with censoring symbols over mouth. 2 men kissing. Flexed bicep. 2 women with multiple skin tones kissing. Distressed face vomiting. Freezing blue face with icicles.
And that is how to find out the name of an emoji on your iPhone. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.